Video, if my phone works. Hey fellow YouTubers, gonna do a quick video just showing. I had a question at my local Home Depot whether these two types of connectors were compatible. So I'm looking at the Orbit Metal Quick Disconnect and the YardSmith. Just so you know, YardSmith is Lowe's, Orbit is Home Depot. So we're gonna see if the two plug together. This is one-handed, just a real quick video. Hopefully it's not too terrible. Comes apart, looks hopeful, about the same diameter. Let me hurry and break this apart. Just a moment. Okay, got the two ends here. Let's see if they made up to each other. Looks like a pretty good seal. It's tight. I can feel it tight in there. I'll put in the video description whether it made a good seal. So, pretty straightforward. Looks like good to go. Don't worry about it mixing brands. It's like no big deal.